Happy birthday to me. Yeah, pop out, y'all. What's up with it, y'all? Hey, if it ain't live, it ain't me. Ain't shit changed, y'all. Man, I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna keep my live going, y'all. What the hell this boy done did? Y'all know this boy tripping now. Big homie block. Boy, what the hell you doing painting your damn nails? You look a damn fool.
Think about the good times. That's what the book.
Oh, shake it ducky, y'all.
Read. You scared to read that one out loud? You want Sierra to read for you?
Ta-da, y'all see my another pretty card. Ah, nah, 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 nah.
Say husband at the top.
Oh, shit. Ding, ding, ding,
You
ding,
want Sierra to
ding.
read it for you?
Yeah, come on, CC. Oh, shit, she got a lot of them. Shit, I'm not gonna hear all this, girl. I'm trying to chill. She got a whole lot of them. Shit, goddamn. What you think Shit, I just thought I was gonna look at the card and get some money. She wrote us this a big card. Shit, this a goddamn poetry. I was just trying to look at the card like, oh, look what I got, y'all. No, this card got a whole lot, y'all. This card, she wasn't playing. Uh-huh. Happy birthday to me. Hey, hey, hey. 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 Lord, this skinny me.
What part?
All right, y'all. It's birthday time. I'm finna put my birthday lights on.
It's
Shut
your
up.
birthday.
Shut up. She reading.
It's your birthday, and I love you. So of course, I want you to have the most wonderful day possible, full of everything that makes you the happiest. It's your birthday, and I love you. So I can't help looking back on all the times we shared and remembering
Boom.
all the smiles you brought me.
You hear
It's your
that?
birthday, and I love you. So
You hear
I'm
that?
wishing you the best of this world has to offer. It's your
My
birthday. I
birthday.
love you, and I always will.
Bang. Girl, read that again. You gotta read
I'm
that
gonna read
again.
it again.
You
Read it
bring your little
again.
post here back here. She is not
You
gonna
didn't
read
even
this.
read her part. What part? You didn't read your. Yes, I did. You wrote the words in it. What it said. You didn't read that. You just read the part you wrote. Yeah, that's what I wrote. Read the other parts. Yeah. That's not the part I wrote. I
Yo,
know. But
girl,
you still
you
want
so
to know what it
crazy.
says.
Oh, she jealous. She be jealous of
Now
her
read
little
the parts here,
Man, what is wrong with Big Block, bro? What is you doing playing your fingernails?
Crazy.
Man, y'all be
Crazy.
man.
How you even know? Just read it.
Oh,
It ain't on your special day, you deserve admiration for being the great dad you are, and a lot of appreciation for the happiness and fun you bring to the whole family.
me, I'm funny. You lie. That lie. I'm not funny. I'm crazy. I'm crazy.
See, that's for you and your daddy.
What? They said I'm funny and crazy, y'all. I know they lying. That's not me. I'm just crazy. And I beat myself. What? I love that card, y'all. Say no cap, y'all. What? Doesn't get no better than that, y'all. Come on with it, y'all. Say, pop out, represent, y'all. All my bros, appreciate y'all. You did. Cowboy Nation, y'all. It's all good. It's all good in the hood. Happy birthday to me. Cheers. What's up? Pop out. Oh, you want to show the cookies? Oh, y'all, look, we got some cookies and stuff. I told y'all, man.
You got some Tiffany's, baby. Some Tiffany's.
Y'all better get this shit right, shit. Y'all better, shit.
Tiffany's, boo.
We got the good cookies, y'all. Nice and hot. This, these are cookies that get their own Uber. Y'all ain't never.
Show the name.
Sure.
Tiffany's.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all, we don't play no games. Y'all see that? Y'all see that shit? Let me take that. I don't need all that. Y'all see that? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Y'all see that? That's that good. That's some good kids. But it's not on here. I didn't show it. On there.
Okay, I got you.
You see that? Bam.